Dr. Livingston.
Hi.
Somehow this isn't how I imagined the big reconciliation.
Robin was going to tell you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Those of you who are regular patrons here know Ross Carpenter, who has sung here many times before. Tonight, Ross sings for the first time as a professional. He will be here regularly from now on. Now, let's all wish him a lot of luck.
That's what I was trying to tell you. Thought you were going to let me tell her, Sam. Thanks.
Return to sender. Return to sender. I gave a letter to the postman. He put it in his sack. Bright and early next morning, he brought my letter back. She wrote upon it, return to sender, address unknown, no such number, no such zone. We had a quarrel, a lover's spat. I'm sorry, but my letter keeps coming back. So when I dropped it in the mailbox, as any special deed, bright and early next morning, it came right back to me. She wrote upon it, return to sender, address unknown, no such person, no such zone. This time I'm gonna take it myself and put it right in her hand. And if it comes back the very next day, then I'll understand. So writing on it, return to sender, address unknown, no such number, no such zone. Return to sender, return to sender, return to sender. Yes, we're coming and loaded. Yes, we're coming and loaded. Now hold the boat steady, don't let it rock. Full speed ahead until we hit the dock. We're heading for home, the fishing was great. We're coming in loaded cause we're all out of bait. Got 'em packed to the water line. Some got away, but the catch was fine. Never saw such big ones, man, oh man. We're coming in loaded just as fast as we can. Well, I'm gonna see my baby soon as I get back. Knock on the door with my pockets packed. She'll look at me, well, she can't say no. We're coming in loaded, so come on, let's go. Coffee's 2 sides, please. You okay with you? I need your coffee now.
Thank you. Ross, there's something I must tell you. The man I told you about. That wasn't the first time I'd been fooled. With you...
With me what?
With you it was different. It wasn't me before. It was my money.
Oh, that's the mystery. You're rich.
Yes.
Try to live with it.
Don't. You don't know what it's like.
No, I don't know what it's like.
You get so that you look at every man suspiciously. I had to find someone who'd love me for myself. I've been very lucky.
Well, we've both been lucky. That way. Why are you telling me all this now?
I bought the West Wing, Ross. Where are you going?
I don't know.
I'm going with you. What have I done?
Look, when I was a kid after my father died, I lived on what other people gave me. Clothes that other kids that I'd grown and didn't fit me. Toys that had been broken and thrown out. I even got to where I thought the food I ate was given to me because someone had finished with it.
Understand,
Now you don't
Ross.
understand, you can't understand, and you never will. A man has to work for what he wants.
I have a right to do this for you, Ross. I love you.
I don't take handouts from anybody. I don't want to be kept.
Oh, terribly sorry.
I'll bet. This is WY-2768. Calling Marine operator. Over.
This is a Marine operator. Shh. Come in, WY-2768. Come in.
Pitney Paradise Cove. Ken Young house. Emergency. Chen on telephone. Ship to shore.
This is Ross, Chen. What's your location, over?
About 4 miles south of Paradise Cove. We passed the west wind just now. Laurel Dodge is on it. Over.
So what? She bought it. Over.
Johnson's on it too. Doesn't look good, Ross.
Stop what I can. What's all the rush? Laurel's on the west wind with Johnson. Where? About a half a mile out, straight ahead. All right, I step on it. What's so special in Paradise Cove? You know what I think? Ross Carpenter.
What about Ross Carpenter?
I think you bought this boat for him, or you bought him for this boat. Now, there's a boy on a man's errand. Now, take it easy. Relax. Just crawl alongside him. Welcome aboard. Get off the white horse, Skipper. You got it all wrong.
Stop it, Ross! Stop it!
Relax and enjoy it, Miss Dodge. You can't stop it. Well, get up. Get up. You finished? Oh, I'm not finished. Yes, you are. You haven't got the heart for it. I'll tell you what you're gonna do. You're gonna buy this boat back from her. Am I, Miss Dodge?
If he says so.
I say so. For you, anything, like I said. Yeah! Come on, get us! You know something? I should win a medal.
What for?
For being the world's biggest jackass. Well, say something.
Okay. You're the world's biggest jackass.
No, I thought the only thing in the world that could make me happy was owning the boat. But it isn't. I'm over it. I'm over it.
I love you anyway.
I'll tell you what. We build a new boat. You and I.
Is that a proposal or a proposition?
Either you marry me or live with me in sand.
Couldn't I have a little bit of both?
I'm just a red-blooded boy, and I can't